Homeowners know it is expensive and a lot of work to take care of a property, and that means having the right insurance is very important.
Well, we are happy to have Luke Panek join us on the 4 today. He is an insurance restoration expert at Lindus Construction. Welcome, Luke. We have so many questions.
Yes, we do.
I know that when people hear the word insurance, they kind of draw a blank because it just seems complicated. How important is it to understand your homeowner's insurance policies?
It's extremely important because, over the past few years, we've had a lot of storms affect a lot of houses in the Twin Cities. And storm damage can be very expensive, and not understanding, what your policy entails it can be a surprise you don't want to get.
Yeah. Should you talk to your agent and go through this step by step with me?
Absolutely. I think it's important annually to talk with your agent and see if there's been any changes to the policy. Sometimes changes get made and you may not know about them, so it's a good idea to update that regularly.
Okay. Yeah. We're going to dig into one of the biggest mistakes you say that people make. So several questions you should ask if you're on the phone with your agent. The replacement cost value versus actual cash value. What's the difference?
So if you have replacement cost coverage and you lose your roof because due to storm damage or wind or hail or whatever it is, they're going to give you enough money minus your deductible to replace it with new products of like, kind, and quality. They'll give you enough money to do that. If it's an actual cost value, or sometimes called cash value, they're going to take away depreciation. And that's how, if you have a 10-year-old roof, let's say, they'll take off 10 years of depreciation, and so you won't get enough money to replace it with new stuff. And you want to know that before it happens, for sure.
You said deductible there, and there are two types,
yes.
Flat and percentage. Can you talk about those?
Yeah, historically we hadn't, you really think about it because it was always a flat fee. It was a $1,000 deductible, $1,500, $2,000 deductibles are pretty common. But now, as insurance companies are having to recoup some of the major losses they've had over the years, they've got to find different ways to recoup some of that. So they've switched some policies to what's called a percentage base. So your house is insured for a certain amount of loss value, whatever that value is on your home, can be a percentage of that, typically 1 or 2%. So, maybe a $350,000 home might have like a $7,000 deductible, and you thought you had that $1,500 deductible. That's something you want to know.
Is that something you negotiate with your agent, or do you just go around searching for a policy that has that?
Well, insurance companies compete for your business just like every business does, and some of them will offer that, some of them will change to that and give you the opportunity to find a different policy. Of course, the lower deductible, just like with health insurance or car insurance, the lower the deductible, the higher the premium is going to be. So you want to factor that in as well.
Interesting. You say there's something called the cosmetic damage exclusion.
Yeah.
I've never heard of that.
Never heard of that. Well, it's one of those things where now, another reason, it used to be back in the good old days, if your roof or something got dented or scratched and it doesn't look great, you replace it. Now, maybe if they have a cosmetic exclusion, it's still functioning okay. It just doesn't look good. They're not going to replace it. So you want to know if you have cosmetic coverage or not. That's what that talks about.
Yeah, it seems like things are changing all the time, right? So what's your advice to someone who's feeling totally overwhelmed by all of this?
Well, number one, you talk to your agent so you understand your policy. And if you're having trouble navigating a claim, you can reach out to us. We can help, or there's a lot of good companies out there that can help navigate an actual insurance claim if you have one. It can be stressful, for sure.
How can people work with you guys?
Just call us. We're easy to find on the internet. We help a lot of people with storm claims. It's not really our focus, but we certainly help people. We have a lot of experts that can come out and help you.
Before we let you go, anything you're seeing lately, or certain types of damage that are popping up in our area?
Yeah, recently we've had some hail claims, but it wasn't real damaging hail. So it's a lot of that cosmetic stuff where you could see little blemishes, but it really hasn't degraded the shingle or affected its function at all. So there's a lot of minor damage out there right now, which has put a lot of companies that rely on storm work in trouble. So buyer beware, because there's a lot of people out there looking for that, and it can be suspect.
Good advice.
Well, thank you so much, Luke, for coming and explaining a lot of things to us.